Welcome. Today I would like to talk about code splitting and how you can do using a package called react-loadable. So what you want to do is just install react-loadable, and I will also provide a link and you can search on Google as well. That's the package. So what I want to do is right now I have created a build where I'm not really using this react-loadable. And if you go into your build, if your npm run build and you take a look, you'll see that there is only one main file. So it's not even broken down into chunks or anything like that. So just to give you an idea, basically what I have is if I go into the HTML, my main app, and I go into posts, basically it's essentially going to that post and getting some information and displaying it. So it's not really loading any extra chunks of code or anything at all. So what I want to do is make this component post be loadable. So it's actually pretty simple. What you want to do is first of all import this higher order component called loadable from React loadable. So I'm going to do that. And I did that. The next thing you want to do is create a loadable post, which is just a function, and you want to wrap inside this loadable your actual route you want to dynamically load. So the main position where it gets loaded is right here, role loader, and you just want to write a function, and you want to have something called import, and wherever your original route should to be. And if you want to see while it's in the loading stage, I have added a message to log to the console loading, and this just renders null. So if I copy this over into my app.js, we can basically create a loadable component for our posts. So what I'm going to do, this is my original post, so I'm going to comment that out. And instead of just this post, I want to be able to use this dynamic loading of the post component. So I'm going to change the component to loadable posts. If I just do that, and you can run npm run build to see if it creates a chunk of code for your particular component, the loadable post, for the post itself here, for example. While it is running, let's go into our build back in again. I guess it's not done yet. So let me just wait for the build to be done. Okay, so the build is done, and if you look in your static resources in your JavaScript, see you have your main component. Now you also have your chunk for the loadable component. So it can actually make it your website a little bit faster if your main route or main component code download first time can be a little bit smaller, and then you can dynamically load other components as needed. So to demonstrate, I'm just going to run npm run start in dev mode here, and let's just do that. And you can see that it is starting to load the React app as it comes up, as it starts the development server. So it has done that. And if you load, see that it's basically loading the bundle.js, and there is really nothing in there. So first time it loaded our bundle, and what we want to see is, if you carefully observe, is that when I go to post, it should be loading some more JavaScript. So here you can see it is loading my chunk, and it also printed on my console loading. So this is actually a very easy way to make your React components loadable. And thank you for watching this short screencast, and I'm going to add this video on my website under React chunk React loadable. And you have a great day.